Today we're going to do a satin stitch padded heart. So we've done sort of a raised satin stitch where you just use layers of the stitch to build up some depth. Today we're going to use felt, and we're doing a heart because it's Valentine's Day soon. So I've just cut out one heart, and then for the smaller layers I've actually just done triangles, but you can do hearts. It's just to create some layers. So if you see, I'm going to layer them all up. I've got 4 layers. Here we go. You can see we've created some depth there. We're going to actually put the smallest triangle on the bottom and then layer them up. You could try and just turn them over and start stitching, but it's possible that they will sort of slip around a little bit. So we are going to just put each one, just put an anchoring stitch on each one. Then take the next one, should fit over the top. This is just craft felt, so it is quite thin. If you've got some nicer felt, some thicker felt, then you might not need so many layers. But this is quite a good way of just using up some craft felt that I have. There we go. One more. Going to put on our final bigger heart, and then just start to sew over with satin stitch. I'm going to start with one down the middle, and it is a good way to break up your satin stitch as well, so you try and keep it as straight as possible. There we go. It's already a little bit bent, so I'm just going to straighten that up. I want to at least start off straight. There we go. I think we are going to need 2 layers, so I'm going to just spread them out slightly and then go back in between. Doesn't matter if you don't follow the line of the felt heart exactly, it's still going to look like a heart. So we're going to come down here where there is no felt, but just to make the curve of the heart look nicer. getting a nice point here is actually quite tricky. So what I'm going to do is do some slightly shorter stitches and just sort of tuck them underneath the longer stitches. They're almost going to be hidden, but you will get the bottom point that you're looking for. Don't put it too tight, just sort of move the others over the top of it, and there we're getting a bit of a cleaner point than I was a minute ago. I'm going to go over here, just do a stitch, a straight stitch to bring this bit into place. There we go. So I feel like this, I feel like the edges just need a couple of extra stitches, and this tiny bit here is not as smooth as I would like it to be. So I'm just going to fix those things. There we go. You can see it's raised. Padded heart. That would look really cute just on a little t-shirt or a denim jacket, or if you wanted to make a card, little Valentine's embroidery, that would look really cute. Satin stitch padded heart.